Hi, today I'm going to show you how to buy expensive products at cheap prices. First of all, do you know that you can buy a product that costs $199 for as low as $30 or even $20? Do you even know that you can buy a product that costs over $360 a year for a one-time price of $67 or even less? Yes, you can. But this doesn't mean that you'll be buying from a broker, because you'll be buying directly from the product owner itself. So before I continue, please kindly subscribe to my channel.
This is how it works. You see, when a product owner launched his product for sale, the product owner will set a normal price for this particular product and also set some special deals with very low prices. For example, suppose you want to buy an application or software that costs say $39 per month. Normally that should cost you $468 per year. But normally the product owner will give you a discount, say $20 per month, since you are paying annually, and this will cost you $240 per year. Besides this normal price of $39 per month, the product owner will set other special deals for this product, and instead of you paying $39 per month or $240 per year, the product owner will be asking you for a one-time price of $67 or less. So I am going to show you how to find these special deals in 2 minutes and buy products at cheap prices. Please kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below. Why do product owners have these special deals with cheap prices? It's a marketing strategy. There are 2 ways to get customers in marketing. It is either your potential buyers are looking for you, or you are looking for your potential buyers. If your potential buyers are looking for you, then you have some advantage because they already have interest in your product, so you can sell at high prices to them. But if you are the one looking for your potential buyers, then you need to convince them to buy your product. So when product owners are looking for potential buyers through advertising, they tend to offer low prices to these potential buyers. So instead of you looking for their product to buy, I will show you how to let them look for you instead, so that they can offer you their special deals of low prices. So before I continue, please kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below. You are going to use Google and Facebook to get these special deals, and sometimes you can also use Instagram. So I am going to show you a screen recording of how to do this. You can do this on any devices.
So here's the screen recording of the process. The first product that I'm going to use to explain the process is a YouTube thumbnail maker. So I'm going to show you the actual price of this thumbnail maker, and I'm also going to show you its special deals. But before I do that, I would like to log into my Facebook account and show you that no thumbnail maker related advertisements are already promoted to me. So this is my Facebook account, as you can see. So as you can see, no thumbnail maker related advertisements. Can you see that? Can you see that? No. This is not thumbnail maker. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is not thumbnail maker. So these are the advertisements that are currently showing in my Facebook account. So the next thing to do now is then go into my Chrome. Then in the tab, I will enter the URL of this sales page, which is thumbnailblaster.com. So this is the sales page of this thumbnail maker. So this is the sales page of this thumbnail maker. So let's look for the actual price. Let's look for the actual price of this product. As I'm currently on this sales page, the product owner is already aware of this. So currently right now they are installing a cookie into my browser. So this is the price of the product. The normal price is $97, but the owner is giving a special offer, so you cannot get this for $36.86. Do you understand now? So I'm going to show you how to get the product less. I mean, you get the product at a price that will be less than what we have here. So the next thing to do now is to log in into my Facebook account and look for any thumbnail blaster advertisement. So okay, hold on. Okay, this is my Facebook account. So let me look for any advertisement related to thumbnail blaster. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that this is an advertisement about thumbnail blaster? Can you see 80% off today? If you look at the URL of the deal, you will see that it is thumbnailblaster.com/Facebook deal, which is different from what we have here. Here we have thumbnailblaster.com. So this is a special deal. Do you understand? This is a special deal with a 80% discount. So let's check the price of this deal. Sorry. Can you see that? 19.40. That is roughly $20. So instead of you paying $36.6, which is roughly $37, you'll be paying a one-time price of $20. Sorry, you're paying a price of $20. So this is a special deal of this particular product. Can you see? If you look at the URL is different. The URL here is the home page of this website, while the URL here is a special deal. It's a thumbnail blaster /Facebook deal. So that is how to get it. The next product that I'm going to use is called Toonly, which is a product that is used to design cartoons. So the next thing to do is to open your Chrome browser, a new tab, then go to the sales page of this particular product, which is toonly.com. So this is the sales page of this product. So let's look for the price of this particular product. Sorry. So get Toonly. So these are the packages for this product. As you can see that there are two packages for this particular product. The first package is the standard package, which costs $39 per month, while the second package is the enterprise package, which costs $69 per month. But if you are paying annually, you'll be given a 49% discount. So you'll be paying $29 per month, and that will cost you $240 per year for the standard package, and for the enterprise package you'll be paying $40 per month. So I'm going to show you how to get this product for a one-time price of $67. So instead of paying $240 per year or $39 per month for the standard package, I will show you how to get it for $67. So the next thing to do now is to log in into my Facebook account and look for any advertisement related to Toonly. So let me look for that. Can you see it? So this is an advertisement about Toonly. So let's check the price. Can you see the one-time price of $67? So instead of you paying $39 per month for this standard package, then you'll be paying $67. You'll be paying a one-time price of $67. So after paying this $67, you will not have to pay anything again. Can you see that? Can you see that the price here is different from the price here? And this is a special deal. This is a special deal. So another way to get the special deal is to use your Instagram account. So let me look for my Instagram account. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's see if I can. Can you see? Can you see the same advertisement on Facebook is also on Instagram? Can you see that? Can you see that? So let's check it out and check the price. Can you see? Get only for a one-time price Can you see it? So this is also $67 package. Can you see that? Sorry, I'm looking for it. Can you see? This model is called retargeting or remarketing in advertising, and this is how it works. First of all, let me ask you a question. When you visit a website sales page for the first time, do you bring out your credit card and purchase the product right away? Or do you hold on and make additional research on the product that you want to buy? I'm guessing you hold on for a second and try to know more about the product or check if there's a better product. But do you know that while you are trying to find more information about the product, you may end up leaving the product sales page and never return back to the sales page? So when this happens, the product owner is aware of this and they come after you immediately through advertisements and remind you of their product. For most websites, only 3% of their web traffic converts to sales or leads. But with retargeting advertisements, 100% traffic conversion is possible and achievable. How is retargeting set up? Retargeting acts are set up using a cookie. This cookie is a simple JavaScript code. This code will be installed on the targeted sales page. So when you visit the sales page automatically installs this cookie into your browser. And this enables the product owner to know where you go next immediately you left their sales page. So if you visit another website that is a retargeting platform, such as Facebook, Instagram, installed applications, or other websites, then an advertisement about the product you left without buying will appear. And after you purchase this product, the advertisement automatically disappears forever, except if you visit the sales page again without purchasing. So this model significantly increases the return of interest of the product owner because they are advertising to their potential buyers. Types of retargeting: pixel retargeting and list retargeting. Pixel retargeting. This is a retargeting advertisement that is specifically designed for those visitors that does not convert into sales or any leads. So a retargeting cookie will be installed in their web browser and the cookie track their interaction when they surf the web. And if they landed on a retargeting platform such as Facebook or other websites, an advertisement of the product left unpurchased will be promoted to them. Pixel retargeting can be retargeted immediately a visitor leaves the website, so it has high conversion rates. List retargeting. This retargeting is designed for users that are already in your database, such as registered user and subscribers. List retargeting is done by uploading a list of email addresses to a retargeting campaign, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter campaign. And then the campaign network will identify the owners of these email addresses and serve targeted advertisements to only them. This helps product owners to advertise their products to users that have already signed up to their email list but yet to buy their product. List of retargeting networks: number 1, Facebook; number 2, Instagram; number 3, Twitter; number 4, third parties applications; number 5, third parties websites. The first step of my strategy is to Google search the product and then visit the sales page. This action sends a signal to both Google and the product owner that I am interested in their product. So when I open my Facebook account, which is a retargeting network, then Facebook promotes the particular product advertisement to me. And since the product owner knows that I have interest in his product, then he offered me a special deal at cheap prices through retargeting. So that is how it works. Let me show you 2 more examples.
Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you are yet to.
You can use this model for any product online. For example, you can also use it to buy Udemy courses. For example, all these courses here cost $199 each. But with this special deal, you can get it for $18.99, which is roughly $19. And each of these courses will cost you $199. You can go ahead right now, go to udemy.com, then search for any of these courses and check the price. The price is $199. But with this special deal, you can buy it for $18.99. Can you see that? Can you see? All these courses will cost you $199 each. All these courses will cost you $199 each. But with this model, you can spend $19 on each courses. You can also use your Instagram account. Can you see that? Same advertisement on Facebook is also on Instagram. And this is also a $18.99 product. So instead of you paying $199, you only pay $18.99. Can you see that? Can you see? All these courses will cost you $199, but you can get them for as low as $19. So if you don't want to use your Facebook, you can also use your Instagram. So the model is simple. Just visit the sales page, then log into your social media, either Facebook or Instagram. And that's all. Sometimes you may even find the advertisement in any of your third parties applications. Can you see that? All these courses will cost you $199, but you can get them for a one-time price of $19. And the same advertisement is also on Instagram. Can you see that? So that's how to get expensive products at cheap prices. So if you have been looking for a way to buy expensive things cheap, then this is the best way to do it. Just visit the sales page. Then the next thing to do is log into your social media account and then check all the sponsor posts on it. Do you understand now? Mostly all the product owners used to do this. They used to use retargeting. Even if you want to buy on Amazon, just visit the sales page first. Then the next thing to do is log into your Facebook account or your Instagram account. An advertisement related to what you left unpurchased will be promoted to you. Over 70% of product owners used to use retargeting to advertise their product. So you can just take advantage of this. So instead of you paying huge amount of money to get their product, you can use this model to get their product at cheap prices, and it can work for anything, either courses, either product, anything. Just visit their sales page, then log into your social media account and then check all the sponsor posts. So that's how it works. And if it happens that you log into your social media account and you could not find any related advertisements to that particular product, you can just wait around for a few minutes. Just wait around for a few minutes and keep checking your social media. Most of the time they use Facebook because of the huge traffic on Facebook. So make sure you check all the sponsored posts in your Facebook account. At least one of them will be related to the product that you left unpurchased. And also you can also use your Instagram account or any other applications that you are using. If you have any application on your phone that used to serve advertisements to you, then just log in into that application. You should see an advertisement related to the product that you left unpurchased. So that's how to get the product. So if you find this video useful, please kindly write a comment about this, share it, like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.